Racing boards highlight deep intensities of the chessboard. Perambulations along the thankers on Wheel of Life, inchannelations of Gnostic rites. You'll test alchemies on Yggdrasil and hyperspace, go peeping beyond dusty confines of the soapbox world. Diamond starscape celestial stream, 7 branches of primordial Euphrates delta, multi-dimensional junction points accessing soul planes. A ladder awaits unseen within Solomon's temple. Equidistant between the poles behind the golden door. From the gene pool of hard knocks, you've chose to become a roving sage. Look upon the next equinox, the Bardo rider of the purple age. Timeless every when, you're riding out along the fault line. Every layer can be transcendent, based upon the reality you define. On wings of Nana you level. You've been out Bardo travelling, with hell fading fast below you. Follow the bells and gongs that you ring. Follow the bells and gongs that you ring.